Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry and raisin oat cookies. You will need 100 grams of oats, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of butter, 50 grams of raisins, 50 grams of blueberries, I've used frozen but you can use fresh, and 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. Firstly, in a bowl to your oats add your flour, your caster sugar, your raisins, and your blueberries, and give it a really good mix until well combined. Then in a separate bowl you want to melt your butter. I just melted mine in the microwave for a minute. And then add your golden syrup and stir to combine. And then simply add your wet ingredients to your dry. Give it a really good mix until everything is well coated and well combined. And then to a pre-lined tray with baking paper, you want to roll out your cookies. I did quite large balls and pop them onto the baking tray. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark for 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 15 to 18 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make blueberry and raisin oat cookies.